Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out this pretty much viral product. It's from Maybelline and it's the Total Temptation Brow Definer. So this is a bestseller on Amazon. It literally has over 98,000 reviews. It's so high rated and I just love trying these super hyped up viral products. It was only $7.99 from Amazon. I think it comes in 4 shades. I got it in the shade Blonde, but I love trying out brow products and I love filling in my brows. Like, look at me right now. I just look so different not having my brows on, and this looks like exactly the type of product that I love to use to fill in my brows. So it's a pencil on one end with a spoolie on the other, and this is a unique looking spoolie. Let me open it up and show you. It's very small, which when it comes to brow products, I love a small, precise product, basically, whether it's the applicator, the spoolie, and this is so tiny but still kind of like fluffy and big, and I feel like it is essential to have a spoolie on my brow pencil. And then the pencil end, ooh, is a very unique shape. It's, I guess, like a teardrop but more pointy at the end, so kind of like an elongated diamond shape. Wow. Okay, I'm so excited to try this. I'm just going to go ahead and it's pretty much become second nature to me now on how I fill in my brow with a pencil, but I will show you. So I'm going to take the longer, pointier end to start, and I just try and go in with little lines. Ooh, it is making small, precise lines, and I always start at the bottom and kind of trace out the arch. Basically just follow my natural brow line, but you can see how sparse my brows are, and this will hopefully help really fill them in, but in still a natural way. And then just kind of work up through until I'm at the top. And I trace out the arch there once again and try and make sure the tail is thick enough, visible enough, and it's not completely colored in, but it's filled in, shaped out for the most part. So now I'm going to flip it over and blend through and see if I need to go back in with the pencil. This is also a perfect color for me. No, my hair is back right now, but I have like light brown hair with like the gold in it, so this seriously matches my hair perfectly. I feel very lucky about that because it only comes in a few shades, but it is matching my natural hair so well, and that can make such a difference in how much I like a brow product, because then when it matches the hair, you can't really see it in the brow. And this is looking so natural and it's not flaking. And look at that difference with it versus without it. And I can get even closer, show you, it still looks like a natural brow. You can't tell that there's product in it, besides, of course, like, it's a different shape than my brow was before, but you can't tell that I really like colored it in, if that makes sense. Gosh, that was so quick and easy. I don't even have to go back in with any more because it did blend out really perfectly with the spoolie. And it draws really easily, like you can be gentle with it and it's still going to show up. It's not a very waxy pencil, so like the brows have no hold to them. So since I have such long brow hairs, I would still go in with a brow gel after using this pencil because this doesn't have that hold to it. I'm just really loving is how it blends through with the spoolie. It just is so blendable. Like, you don't have to do the most perfect lines filling it in, because it really does just very smoothly and easily blend, which is great because say you make a line that doesn't look great, you can just go over it with the spoolie. It will smooth it out perfectly. And I sometimes like to go in with a bit of a heavier hand on the tail, try and make it a little darker. And this does build up. If you want more of that slightly ombre effect, make it a little darker towards the end, you can do that by just going over it a little harder. Wow, there we go. I feel like I look like myself again with my brows on. That was so quick and easy. I'm very picky with my brow products and my brow pencils, and this is great. I will say, I don't think it's exceptionally different than other brow pencils that I use that I love. Like, I don't really understand why this is so viral, so many reviews, like why this is the #1 brow pencil on Amazon, because to me it's great. It's a classic brow pencil, and I do recommend it if you're looking for a brow pencil, but it's no different than like an e.l.f. brow pencil that I love, or currently I'm using, I think, like a NYX or Wet n Wild, actually, I think is what it is, but just like inexpensive drugstore brow pencils that I love. I feel like they're all pretty similar, and I am picky, but they all work great, and this one I feel like is no better than those ones that I love, but still, this one is good and only $7.99. So if you're thinking about this one versus like Anastasia Beverly Hills or Benefit brow pencils, I think this one is just as good as those ones as well. But what I'm saying is this isn't like anything groundbreaking when it comes to a brow pencil. But if you've tried this out, let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. But also just let me know what are your favorite brow pencils. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.